Hi guys, so happy to have you here with me today in the studio. I am doing a bit of homemaking. Yes, I'm a mommy. I have an older son and a younger son, and my younger son likes to go out and shop for himself, right? Because I think he thinks that I don't quite know his style. And he has a bit of a challenge when it comes on to finding pants to fit him, right? Because he is tall, 5 feet 10, he's 17 years old, and he finds it difficult to find the right size waist with the right length of pant to fit him. And therefore, whenever he goes out and he sees something that he likes, he will pick it up. But he didn't get to fit this pant when he picked it up. And so when he tried it on, I said to him, you know what? I think the legs are a bit short. So just leave it somewhere where I can see it so I can lengthen the legs for you. And so that's exactly what I am going to be doing. So I have already picked out the hem on both legs, and what I intended to do initially was just to pick out the double hem and just do a single hem just like so. However, it would be pretty narrow here on the hem, so instead of doing that, what I will be doing is um, adding a piece of fabric to the legs, and then I will do the hem. So I'll show you how I do that. I am gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use the ruler width for the width of the fabric that I am cutting. I thought 3 pieces would be fine, but no, 3 pieces are not fine. So I'll go ahead and cut 2 full pieces. I'm just gonna join these 2 pieces together. Now we can press the seams flat. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just open the side seam just a bit, or seams, because there are 2 seams. Okay, so because I opened the side seams, it doesn't even matter that I stitch these 2 together because I'm going to end up separating them. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and put my strip on the inside because we're going to be turning it the opposite way when we're done. And then I will stitch this to the pant. and I am going to do the same thing on the other side. Because I opened up the seams, I literally didn't need to join the pieces, but that's okay. And now I am gonna go ahead and put the side seams back together. You know what? Let me just do some zigzag fit stitches on the raw edges. So I basically cut the fabric to do a single hem. You can cut your fabric to do double hem if you want. It's not absolutely necessary. So I will go ahead and do the other leg, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now I am done that. I'm going to go ahead and turn the pant back onto the right side. And I am going to just press these lines are going to be pretty hard to come out until after it gets a wash or two in the washer, and then they will start fading. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead now and fold back just above the fabric I just attached to the pant, because I don't want that fabric to show. I'll do the same thing for this one. So now I'm gonna press again. Now I don't have to turn it back over. I am just gonna go ahead and stitch. Okay, we'll do the other one. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and press again. I have given my son another, looks like 2.5 inches, almost 3 inches, guys. I've given him an extra 2 3/4 inches on his pants. Well, that's it. My tip for lengthening your child's pant, or even yours. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you again soon.